Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to edit EXIF metadata of JPEG image files online. Open your favorite browser. Go to imgonline.com.ua. In the top menu bar, click on EXIF editor. Click on Edit EXIF IPTC XMP information in a JPEG file. Click on Choose File button. Select the image file on your computer and click Open. Now click on Edit button. Make the necessary changes. Scroll down. Click on OK, Write to JPEG. Changes are saved successfully. Click on Download Processed Image to save the file on your computer. This is how you can edit EXIF metadata of JPEG image files online. Thank you for watching.